Oh my god. Hey guys, Sean here with New Jersey Coasters, Built to Thrill, West New York Coasters, and we're back at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Hey guys, Sean here from Rollback Productions with Built to Thrill, LOL Vinny, New Jersey Coasters, and West New York Coasters. And we're back here. Vinny, Built to Thrill, New Jersey Coasters, and Western New York Coasters.
Oh, I rebranded.
Oh, for God's sakes. And Amusementscape.
I just looked.
Oh, well, that's not good. Oh, wait, right when I filmed that, it just started up the lift again. Oh, wow. Never mind, it stopped again. We should get tons of rides on this today. The forecast says it's gonna rain like all day long. I'm not pissed off. I love rain rides on this thing. We're gonna have an excellent time. Well, they keep like block checking, stopping the train up at the top of the lift, but it is cycling currently. I'm hearing like mechanical noises coming up from one of the brake runs. So like they're releasing brake. I don't know. This profiling looks fake. This ride isn't real. It's not real.
That motherfucker back there is not real.
Looks like they just slid this one train over. I guess they're transferring one off. They don't really need two trains today anyway. It's really dead. I can hear Gwazi's alarm sound, which means it's testing. There's an air horn and some type of announcement playing on Iron Gwazi's lift cell right now, so we're gonna go do some other stuff, hopefully come back later and it'll be open. It's a good sign that they're working on it, at least, you know, it's not like they were just standing outside it and there's nothing going on. There's signs of life, so we'll have to just come back. Like when I tell you guys there's nobody in this park, it's like me, Lucan, Jason, and Vinny, and Sammy, and like, I've seen maybe like 20 other people in the entire park. Yeah, this place is deserted today. I don't think Cheetah Hunt's even open. I didn't see him send a train or anything since we've been walking, and we've been walking up past it for a couple minutes now already. Cheetah Hunt is actually closed, so we're walking back toward Cobras Curse and Montu now, see what's up over there.
Oh, Reggie, the stuff is right now. Chris, your stuff in Rachel's bag.
Cobras Curse says it has a 20-minute wait. We're riding Cobras Curse. It says it had a 20-minute wait. And like we're just walking right into the station now, I'm pretty sure. It's like around the corner here. So before I got on the line, I told Sammy that I would eat my hat if it's 20 minutes long. And he literally has a timer going right now to see if I'm gonna eat my hat. And we walked this whole thing and not had to stop at all. Told you, Sammy.
Awakens my power.
start. All Robert's monsters should and should be removed. Busch bargains as soon as he knows the happening from off and the last final.
Please lift up on your lap bar, watch your step, and exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you.
We just did Cobras Curse. It was really funny. Like, it said it had a 20-minute wait, and we just walked right on it.
I'm so mad. He did not use hat.
Yep.
We're gonna try again a month too.
Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be any wait anywhere in this park. It's just gonna be dead all day.
This is Michael Lindy.
What?
Michael Lindy's here. He's riding 1, 2.
Is that the Coaster Crusader?
Oh, it's the coaster.
He's here. Mike. Mike. Rowing out of the station. Look at this guy over here with all these cameras. Alright. It's still not running as good as it could be. Yeah. Looks like Gwazi is back open again. Got the circle back up there. And Cheat Hunt has people on it. Whoa. Oh, never mind. I thought there was people on it. Sorry, Jason. Oh well. Yeah, Falcon Fury is still open. That thing usually closes within the first hour of the day. Falcon Fury is open, currently. Probably be closed by the time we walk to it. I can't believe it's actually open. Yeah. Whoa, I missed it. We're about to get on. I can't believe we're riding this. Every time I come here, this thing's down, and I've been to this park like 6 times or more. But. The speakers make a funny noise when they start going off. It looks like it's about to start downpouring like any second.
We get to the top. Gwazi soon.
There it goes. Look,
That was a good ride, guys.
cresting right now. We sat on the right side of this. I'm gonna watch it the whole time while we
Like
go
all
up.
the maintenance buildings are in the middle.
Oh yeah, because where Gwazi is was originally like the brewery here, so they have all this backstage stuff like next door to the brewery was, because that parking lot down there is probably for that. I only was here for Iron Gwazi.
Wow.
No, I know.
Yeah.
Stanley Falls. Yeah, I'm not riding that today. Uh-oh.
Oh my god. You done it? Oh, I thought you said you had.
It feels like more than 90 degrees. Not so good. It's not like super forceful or anything, but it's crazy like flying toward the ground like that.
Stand up drop down, bro.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have like the leg things like Superman.
No. Really good. I'll be sad when it eventually gets removed because it has so many issues. Jason, it was your first time on Falcon Fury. What'd you think?
It's okay.
It was just okay?
Yeah, it's kind of gimmicky.
Wow. I love this ride, but yeah, it is kind of gimmicky. The drop isn't like super forceful.
Job isn't forceful.
It's fun though.
I think it's less.
Shuttle bus tonight's leaving pretty late, so we'll get to see some of the lights at night. It's pretty cool. We're going over to the Pretzel Place that's right over here next to Falcon's Fury. They have some really good stuff in there. Tons of good pretzels in here. I got the hot dog one. The menu screens are still in like Hello Scream style, which is kind of funny. Jason, you notice the menus are still Hello Scream style? Yeah. What did you get? You got a pretzel dog too? Yeah. This here looks really good at the end. Sounds like a freight train. But it's really good. I love that ride. One of my favorites here. Maybe not top 5, but really good. Jason and Vinny are up in the front row. I'm back here with these guys.
Platform clear, ready for dispatch.
It's better in the back anyway. It's the only place to ride at the front isn't that good. You get like really good pop tips back here. Yeah. It has a block zone for a second, but they only have yeah, they only have one though. I can't believe Falcon's Fury is still open. It's a good ride. It's definitely janky, but it's good. I love this thing. It's so weird that this cable here is just off the tower, and it's been like that for over a month now. I'm starting to think that there might be actually something going on that they're not telling us about this, because they posted on Instagram that they're doing a heavy refurbishment coming up here. Are you guys going to Kumba? You're going the wrong way. Sammy, are you ready to ride Kumba?
I am.
It looks really cool behind you right now. It was closed the last time you came. So guys, is it running really good?
Yes.
thinking about it, but I didn't want to destroy my camera.
They should use the new thing called It's like the same layout too.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you do a curve drop, you go into a loop, and then a dive loop, and then you do a corkscrew.
Zero G roll.
You roll, sorry.
It's just a different like design, but it is the same. It's better.
It's the same layout.
It's better than this. This is way better. This thread to the left hill.
David has to rate the adventure because he worked there. He has to make it whole under.
Yeah. Woo! We just got off Kumba. Jason, those three up front rode it twice, and we rode it once. And we rode it in the back. It was really good. Oh, it was so good. Such a good ride. It's definitely my favorite B&M sit-down coaster. I love the Incredible Hulk at Islands, but I think this is just a step up from that. Wait, guys, is this Rapid Ride open overnight? Wait, it says it opens at 6 p.m. and closes at... I'm so confused. No,
Just change that.
shut up, Jason. We are inside Chick-fil-A.
Making me. Look, got them all in there.
Can't even see it.
Right there.
We have Chick-fil-A. Jason has the all-day dining pass somehow? How did that happen?
They sent it to me when I asked for free tickets for him.
Oh my god. So Jason's gonna come back to Chick-fil-A and get like free food here every 90 minutes. Well, since Jason's only been here one time, he needs a few credits. One of them is right here that I don't want to ride.
Look, it's a B&M.
Oh no, it's Tigress. Yeah, it is. Whee! Oh, there's no one here. Like a gale force where I just like going in. That was pretty okay.
But that's not bad.
Can't believe you said in the middle of that you want to do it again. I'm like, no. No, I have to try to get out of this.
You have conquered Tigress.
I have to get out.
Exit guest, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar and lap bar. Exit carefully to your right and watch your step. Thank you for riding Tigress and have fun.
Oh, you do? You want to ride again?
Push button.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Boarding guests, step carefully but
What? Do we just get off the same ride? I'm not like sure we actually just rode the same thing.
I really enjoyed that.
What?
I enjoyed it.
What kind of drugs are you on?
Did you enjoy it?
I'm gonna drug test you.
Did you enjoy it? Actually?
What?
Did you ride in the front seat?
No, I only rode in the back. The back's the better one.
Yeah, Sammy loved it. 10 out of 10, right, Sammy?
10 out of 10.
Yep, we can forget that that thing exists now and move on to She-Cra.
Today we're riding Shadow Stalker 2. The electric. And it's Island Ride.
Look at Falcon's Fury. That's a great ride. I love it. I think it's my favorite dive coaster. That's my favorite. There's like airtime pops and like really good.
Yeah, the top drop.
Those drops are great. Mood when you're about to ride Gwazi. Jason bitched out last second. He was like about to get splashed and he walked away from it.
I was like, hey, that's gonna be bad.
You saw me like backing up real fast.
That's why I was like, okay, he's backing up. Do I really want to
Jason wants to ride the train here. We haven't actually, I've never done this section of the train before, so.
Jeez.
Bye.
Much better. We will return to Stanleyville in about 35 minutes. Our next station is guaranteed to be wet.
Hope they fix that one day.
That green and rust color structure is Kumba. Kumba stands for roar in the African dialect.
No, it doesn't.
Also known as the African longhorn. This cow is never slaughtered for its meat because it's considered sacred in Africa. As we continue out, these are Nyala antelope. These antelope are very unique in that they're considered to be sexually dimorphic. That means that
Gwazi's down. Our friends just called us from over there. We just got off of the train between Stanleyville and Nairobi. It's a pretty short little segment there. Like, there's one section of the train where you take it, it takes like 30 minutes or longer. It's like the around the first part of the park, like near Montu. That section of the track is really long. But the station over by Kraken, or Kraken.
Hey guys, we're here at SeaWorld Orlando. We're gonna ride Kraken.
No, the station over by Kumba is closed. Right here is usually lawnmowers, and then a bad boy mowers. The logo is right there on the dog's necklace. They replaced it with penguins, which is way better.
Oh, look at all the penguins.
They're so cute.
I know. They've done this exact thing.
That one thinks he's getting fed. That's so cute. There's also this little sign here by the front of the park that I didn't see before. It says the lighting may be impacted by the weather because of too much rain and stuff. It's just been nonstop all day, raining now. It wasn't too bad when we got here, but it just started to steadily get a little bit heavier as the day went on, and now it's just a steady rain. But that's fine. It was in the forecast. I don't mind riding things in the rain, you know, as long as I know what I'm getting into. Gwazi over here has been testing for the last couple of minutes, and they actually had a train with a couple of employees riding, so I think it should be opening any second. Oh, looks like Jason's calling. Yo. It's testing. Oh, they're there. They're on it. They're in the front row. That's Vinny, Sammy, and West New York Coasters. I forgot his new name. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, my friends just there got to ride, and now it just went down for weather. I can't even make this up. Oh no. I'm gonna be genuinely disappointed if I don't get on this thing today. My 3 friends were literally like the only people on that train. I cannot believe it. Like, this thing didn't open today at all until just now. And they just got lucky because they were up in the station already. I cannot believe this. I ran over here as quickly as I could, and I was up in the station, and the next train was being loaded, and they played an announcement saying that it's down for weather. I checked the radar, and there's no lightning anywhere in the area at all, and the rain doesn't seem that heavy to me. I just don't get it. Come on, let me ride this thing. You freaking... Oh, I'm so mad! This ride keeps over speeding because of the rain, and you guys got one ride.
We're just gonna wait right here.
I'm so mad.
Did you go up in the station or not?
I think there's no chance.
Yeah, I walked up there.
Wait, you guys want to go?
Wait, what? Okay, so these guys just got here, and they only have 1 hour into their shift, and they just announced the park's closing at 4. And they rode Gwazi, we didn't. I'm pissed right now. We have 50 minutes, 49 minutes.
I guess we should go like Cheetah Hunt.
What are we gonna do about the bus? Where's the bus? Like, the bus isn't supposed to be here until 7. What are we sit in the parking lot for 3 hours?
This is crazy.
What the hell?
Not opening.
I mean, I can't really blame them for closing the park early, of course, because it's raining out and there's nobody here at all, but it's still, like, you know, we're here and we want to ride Gwazi. But we've been around the park already, so we've been on everything else. We don't really care.
Allowed to close a park in Florida early.
Yeah, I've never heard of them closing a park in Florida early, but yeah.
This is a vacation destination. You can lose your money.
I feel bad about the people who are coming here like for a one-time vacation and like they're not going to be coming back. Like, that's sad. And I can guarantee they didn't ride this either because only like 3 people got to ride this thing today. All right, well, you know what? That's all. Hindsight's 20/20. You know. All right, we got about 30 minutes left until the park closes. It's still just us up in here in the station. Jason and I are pretty disappointed. You know, Jason has only been here one time, and yeah, oh well. So yeah, we're bailing on Gwazi. We're the only people up here, and the park's closing in 15 minutes, and we have to get on our shuttle, unfortunately. So sad. Didn't get to ride this today. The first time ever we've had good luck with it every trip so far, but it's not that big of a deal. You guys know I come here pretty often, so I'll just come back again soon. Just a little disappointed, that's all. So Lucan, it was your first time riding Gwazi.
Yeah.
You actually were able to get on the one train with them over there.
In the last 3 hours.
Yeah, but you actually got on it.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
It definitely had a lot of potential. I mean, it was running kind of slow, even with the rain and all, but I enjoyed it. I think it's got the potential to be a really good RMC, but I can't really say how high it ranks for sure.
I mean, yeah, that's fair because you guys obviously rode it after it was down for hours, I think.
In the front,
And did you get a POV?
No, I did not.
Oh no, that's okay. Yeah, it's all good. You guys got on it, so that's cool.
Yeah, I'm happy I got the prize.
I didn't get on it today. I'm still so disappointed. Did you like Gwazi today?
I did like Gwazi today. It was running really good despite being a little slow.
Yeah, fuck you.
One ride. I have more rides than you. Oh.
In the Busch Gardens area, we'll be closing at 4 p.m. today. Once again, we'll be closing at 4 p.m.
Yeah, I overheard a bunch of people in the bathroom really angry about it. You know, it's 4 hours before the park is scheduled to close. That's a bit ridiculous. Alex, like, I could understand them closing the park like 1 hour or 2 hours before closing, but yeah, there's a lot of disappointed people here right now. I'm not one of them because I come so often, so I'm not really too bummed out, but I can totally understand, you know, if you're coming here from another country and it's your only time to come here, and I mean, yeah, it's just not the best ideal situation for most people.
I said I had all day dining. Can I get a drink? She's like, sure. I'm like, do you need a sketch? No, it's good.
Maybe I should go over there and do that too. I get free drinks.
10 minutes left of the day.
It's like, yeah, I don't know.
I showed it to her. She's like,
all right, we're gonna end this day here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Say bye, everybody. Bye. Bye.